Well, David, it's got to be a challenge when a homeowner wants you to match existing wood and the graining with a mantle that was painted white. Now, how did that come about?
Well, they decided to do that as opposed to stripping it down or just doing a regular glazed faux finish or something like that on it, just to create a nice wood feeling in here.
Now, why not strip it down? That's the first thing most homeowners think, is if they want to return something that's painted, and you hear that a lot with doors and so forth, to just strip it down and restain it. Why wouldn't you do that in this case?
Well, you could, but you're not really sure what kind of wood's underneath there either.
Now, I've seen you do a lot of this kind of work, and you do make it look very, very easy, but what's involved in something like this?
Well, it is pretty easy. I'm just kidding. Sometimes certain parts of it are, and there are certain things that homeowners can do themselves. But in this particular one with the pines, you see, I've used the gadget before, the little dragger grainer that you can get at most hardware stores for the main part of it. And then you use stiff brushes and then certain other combing tools to get the side grains and all.
But the color and the hue of the wood and everything matches so well. I guess that's quite a challenge with the gold color that you have here.
That's part of the trick. It just comes with experience and playing with colors and experimenting till you get where you want it.
Now, historically, this has really been done for many, many years.
Oh yeah, back centuries ago in Europe and all, we get our traditions from here. Most of the painters were skilled in the art of graining and marbling also. But it's phenomenal. Even in the 1750s in our country, there are historic homes that you can tour and see wood graining and marbling that was done back in those days. And the people could have afforded the real good quality wood, but it was fashionable for the wealthy to be able to come and pay an artist to come replicate that look.
Yeah, of course. A little bragging rights there, I guess. Now, for a homeowner to do a few of the things, maybe this is a little too advanced for someone, especially a feature mantle like this in a home, but what are some of the things and what are some of the places in a home that maybe a homeowner can get their feet wet on this a little bit?
Well, a lot of times you'll have a paneled room and then you'll have a metal door.
Right.
So that's a good thing there. And they could, as long as they play with their colors and put like a golden color undertone, and then you could actually just drag out the streaks without doing all the fancy work in it. And if you get the colors right, a lot of times they look real close to wood, and you can fool a lot of your friends, and it'd be a good conversation piece.
Well, this is definitely a good conversation piece. You did a great job on this.